Hi, this is Mohammad Jani Alam from Bangladesh. I am 36 years old and my passport number is A05923275. I have a 7 years experience regarding food factory works. I was working in Saudi Arabia. Company name is Rashid Food Factory since 2016 to 2023. Now I am working in Bangladesh. Company name is Well Food Factory. So now I'm interested to work in Romania food factory company, and I will doing work as per company requirement, any kind of job. I will follow company rules and regulation. I will work 10 hours in a day and 6 days in a week. Thank you for your time and consideration. Thank you.